Matt Kors. Is this the real Matt Kors? Who knows, guys? There was a fake Claybro in the chat yesterday, so I don't know what's real anymore, what's fake. But you know the drill by now. If the chat's working, if the volume is working, you have to let me know when we start these things up, because you're the only way I know that this thing is working right. So hit the chat up right now. Let me know that everything's going good. We are about 15 minutes from the close. AMC not having the best day today, but look, very low volume. So you might think that it might weigh itself out a little bit. And we are here to answer some questions, whatever is on your mind surrounding AMC. We are good. Chris is good. Anybody else out there good? Anybody? Because look, I know AMC's down. What percentage right now? Is it $9.90 a minute ago? Down 2.5% today. Not terrible. Made it not at the end of the stream. You made it to the very beginning of the stream today, so hopefully you can stick around for about an hour or so. We're going to be discussing AMC, what's going on, whether or not it's good. Nick F is in the house. Thank you for the thumbs up, Nick F. Patrick. All good here, not worried. That's what I like to see, man, because these red days, in the grand scheme of things, you should only be worried if you're swing trading or if you're day trading, right? Do I think it's possible that the squeeze could only last a few minutes? I do think it's possible. Who said that? Wasn't Brian that said that. Sorry, I didn't read the name who said that, but I do think it's possible that the squeeze could only last a few minutes. If people diamond hand, right? If they hold, if volume stays low, it could last as long as the days to cover ratio, right? But if everybody tries to jump on board, if everybody's like, I got that fear of missing out, and they go ahead and sell their shares, absolutely, it could only last a couple of minutes, and that would be terrible. Matt Perry's in the house, guys. Give a shout out to Matt Perry, man. This guy was killing it yesterday. Ebony's here as well. What's up, guys? When I see familiar faces like this, it makes me look. We're among friends now. We're sitting here. We're hanging out with friends. That's where it's at. Hammer, ayo, what's up, Hammer? How's everybody doing? That's awesome, Kyle. Patrick, I did not see what Kyle said. Sorry. And guys, you know the drill by now. If you're not a noob in here, if you've been around for a while, clearly I can't keep up with all of the chat. So if somebody asks a question, if somebody, if either I don't know the answer, if I missed the comment and you see it and you can help them out, absolutely, please do so. 2 GameStop and 300 AMC. Very nice, Hammer. Matt Kors is in the house. Yes. All the Matts, guys. That's where it's at. Watching BTX get hauled. I think they will do the same thing. Listen, I personally, I do think that we're going to see some circuit breaker halts when AMC finally does decide to squeeze, right? It's natural. When you see these ridiculously fast movements, they try to calm everybody down, but I think it's going to do the exact opposite. I think it's going to make nerves really go higher. SD, hello everybody. What's up, SD? How are you doing? Sorry, Matt Kors. Hi all. How do you say your last name? Nugent? June? I don't know. Good last name though. Silence my phone. Nick, good reminder, but I promise I didn't even get a notification. This dude, listen, this is how good the moderator is, right? He doesn't just moderate the chat. He moderates me, too. He says, silence your phone. Make sure that I've got it. Hey, check this out. Good moderator, right? He's always on me. I'm telling you. Silence your phone. Look away. Pay attention to us. He makes sure. Remember how you guys were making fun of my water bottle yesterday? It's just a plain black water bottle. Look at this. Is that reversed for you guys, or can you see it normal? Newen. All right, Newen. Very good. Thanks for the pronunciation. Virginia in the house. What's up, Johnny? Isn't this cool? It's normal. Yeah. I put a sticker on it. My sister made me some stickers, and now I'm rolling. Like everything in the house just says bro. It's all bro stuff now. Because I see it reversed. I'm seeing backwards right now. Mine says ORB, but like, hopefully it's normal for you guys. When can we get one? Nick F, man, I think I should. Like, obviously, I qualify for one of those Teespring stores or whatever. I think that we should. Big black water bottles with a nice silver bro on it. Pretty simple, right? And then it's up top, so when you're holding the water bottle, everybody can see. Yes, everybody in the house. Normal to us. Good, SD, thanks for letting us know. And Matt, this is true, guys. This is true. I did send Matt an email today. After yesterday's live stream, me and Matt became pretty much best friends. So, yeah, we're going. Stock bro, yes. We are the stock bros around here. It's not just me in the game, guys. It's all of us. We're here to grow our portfolios together and we're not doing it alone. If you've got a portfolio or you're thinking about starting your portfolio, the entire goal is to grow our portfolios. And I don't know about you guys, I hope that you had a good week. My portfolio is up on the week. AMC is down a little bit, yes, but the overall portfolio should always stay diversified unless, you're really trying to be a little risky and get out there. But yes, today's volume close to 25 million. Omar, very good. Very good. In my opinion, lower volume is going to be better. I would like to see lower volume on higher prices, right? Great day. Squeeze is getting closer. Here's the funny thing with that. Every day the squeeze is getting closer, right? Because every day we're one day closer to tomorrow. But it is true. The squeeze is getting closer, guys. And when we see lower volume, when we see the days to cover rise, when we see the short positions rise on AMC and the price going up, we're just one trigger away from a margin call and one move away to seeing a stock price and seeing a stock move that could potentially change investing forever and really change your life, okay? I mean, that's the deal with it here. Don't put all your bread in one basket, but know that this could be something very special. Whatever happened to the share count, guys, I don't know what happened to the share count. I don't know if people are playing around or whatever. JD Correa in the house. He always comes in like this. Same thing every day. Clay Bro with the little rock symbol and the sunglasses. I love it. Luca's here too. Everybody's coming in to join the party now. How's your day? Yes, Domcia. It's the same with Domcia too. You guys are getting some pretty good greetings in here. I like seeing these greetings when they're the same. It's like, oh yeah, I don't even have to read that name anymore. I know who's saying it, which is pretty cool, guys. That's what this is all about, right? Whether we have 100 people in here or we have 100,000 people in here, we're bros, right? And Ebony, yes, you're a bro too. Like, don't think that you can't be a bro just because you're not a bro, right? But that's what it's about. We're building this relationship together in this fun, in this atmosphere that we're here to help each other grow our portfolios, grow investing, and the more we learn, the better we can do. So keep that in mind, right? And that's why I always say, if you know something in the chat that I don't know, you're right there. Buying more AMC on Monday, SD. Nice. Nice. Bro, what's up, Dat Nguyen? What's up? I think the name is Dom. Okay, could be Dom. Yeah, could be Dom. I don't know. See, that's the thing with some of these names, guys. I pronounce them. They're completely wrong. Payday Clay, more AMC shares. Don't we love Payday? Don't we love pay? And whether you add, don't add your whole paycheck into AMC, but hey, you get paid, you want to buy a couple more shares? Know that if you hold those shares and we see a squeeze, it's going to increase your payday, right? Should you buy options or stick to shares? Look, Major, see that question a lot. If you're worried about buying options, I would never recommend buying options if you don't know what options are. So if you're brand new, you're kind of like, do some research on options first. Good way to leverage, good way to ensure your portfolio, but please make sure you know what you're doing when it comes to options. Should you invest in right now? Say 10 to 20. Look, 3,000 wants to invest. It's a very difficult situation. I can't say when there will be a perfect opportunity to jump in, to jump out, anything like that. But here's what I can say. If you're looking for entry points, right? I wouldn't be looking for exit points at this time right now, because if you're holding for a squeeze, you want to be able to hold, right? You don't want to day trade and swing trade. But if you're looking for entry points, you can use things like support and resistance. Those are very good indicators on whether a trend is going to continue or reverse. If you break through resistance to the upside, you might see an explosive move to the upside. If you bounce off support, it could be a very good entry as long as you bounce off and not, break through support to the downside. Ebony, starting with the flattery already. I appreciate that. Listen, whether I attract good people or bad people, I hope at the end of the day, everybody leaves knowing more than we started with, right? Nobody has to agree with everything I say. I don't have to agree with everything you say. But at the end of the day, we should be friends. We should be moving on better people than when we met. Oh, sweet. Okay, I sent you an email with some info I think you may be interested in sharing with followers. Absolutely. It's not a duck. Good, Matt. I'll check that out. You sent it to me now because I didn't see any notifications come by, but I'll check it out afterwards. Tony, every share counts. Exactly right. Not your business. There might be people in here watching right now. You don't have a share of AMC yet, but you're thinking about getting a share of AMC. Guys, whether you got one share or you're sitting on 100,000 shares, you know, you're a part of something that could break all sorts of records, that could just change so many lives. And yes, we need to stick together. Yes, we need to see this thing through, but this is what this live is all about. If you've got concerns about AMC, or you haven't made that plunge yet, you haven't taken that step yet, ask them now. Because I know if you ask them other places, people might rip you. They might say, how do you not know what's going on? But this is the place to ask them. This is the place to get comfortable with investing, right? Dad Newen, yes, squeeze it, please. Guys, squeeze it. Can you tell that, like, the water bottle's being squeezed? That's what we're going to be doing with AMC pretty soon. Even if you just buy one, you are a part of it. Or if you listen, guys, I know everybody in here might not be investing in the market right now, whether it fits your lifestyle or not. If you know somebody that might be a little concerned about their positions, or you know somebody that's investing in AMC, but they don't necessarily know what they're investing in, or they don't understand it yet, share this video with them. Share this live from them. If you know they got questions, absolutely. Dude, HCMC, I did a video on that a while ago and caught some hate for saying that I wasn't on board with HCMC. I don't think that they're necessarily, I think they might be overvalued. I don't know. But, hey, man, those penny stocks, super volatile too. And you're talking like 0.000 something for the price. You can get a lot of, you can get a lot of value out of that. I'm not going to look at I won't look at the email live because I don't have that email on this tablet, and I'd have to look at it on the phone here. So I can't look at any emails while I'm live. Would I sell at 500 or hold? Good question, Chris. Here's my answer on that. I would sell at 500 if I saw that volume shot up, right? And we have to be realistic. We have to use numbers that we can report and we can justify. So if we look at the shares that are being shorted, and let's say it's somewhere around 100 million at the time of the squeeze, if I see that volume is like 1 billion shares being traded, right? I'm going to have to assume conservatively that the shares could have been covered. It doesn't mean that they were covered, but I'm going to have to assume that they could have been covered. Therefore, I would say yes, I could close at 500. If I'm watching the price, if we're actively trading it, I would close at 500. Now, if it's a different story, if I'm looking at volume and volume's like 10 million, people are diamond hand in AMC, but the price shoots up to 500, right? I'm not scared at that point. I'm not selling. 10:01. Do we close at 10:01? Is that what it is? Oh my gosh, I gotta sneeze. Guys, my allergies are bad today. Sorry. Matt, I see your question, but I can't read it. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm not crying, I promise. It's the allergies. 2 minutes left. Alright, that's what I figured. I'm gonna have to get a tissue. Oh no. What's up, Clay? Yes, it is Friday. Gary, absolutely. How do we tell volume on a chart? Still new here. Spam. You can put volume on your chart no matter what broker you got. You can throw volume up on the chart, or you can just keep an eye on it, like off the chart. Jay, yes, all my germs live homeless. It's not germs, guys. It's allergies. And I promise, I have to sneeze so bad right now, but for some reason, it's not coming out. Yes, please, let's close above $10. I know there's some people in here that had another 12 can options. Oh my gosh. Dude, hopefully you close in the money. That would be amazing. I know some people in here had options contracts expiring today at $12.50. So not everybody hit gold on their options this week, but that's the risk of options, man. When you buy out of the money options with only a 4-day expiration, then you're looking at a little risk there. But hopefully you know that that's risk that you're willing to take, right? You know that going into it. That's one of the good things about options, is that you know your maximum risk walking into it, and that's what you're willing to pay. I'm showing 10 flat. Guys. What did you guys get? This price could settle. Now I'm showing 10:01. Did you guys close at 10:01 or where? 1001, 1001, 10 flat. I'm showing 1001 at the moment. You could settle in a second here. Yeah, we closed at the $10 mark. Perfect. Nice double digits. We're not falling back down into single digits. You're showing 1003. I want your broker, Rich. 10, you get 1003? Oh, come on. Oh, 1003 after hours, though. 1003 after hours. I don't know what it closed at. Closed right in there, though. Volume 26.53. Very low volume. I don't want to say it's that good of a sign because I think a falling price might offset lower volume. Perfect storm is low volume, high price, right? Luca, yeah, I'm seeing, he said, bless you, bro. Dad, I can't get the sneeze out, and I don't know why. 10, 1001, 1001, 1001, yes. I'm seeing 10 flat now. All over the place. 1002 close. Showing me 1002 now. It's settling somewhere around in there. Let's get these financial gains, bro. Yes, Jeremy W. Let's get these financial gains. That's what it's all about, guys. We're growing our portfolios, right? Are you the only idiot using Robinhood? Listen, guys, you're not. Here's the thing. A lot of people are still using Robinhood. I don't know if you've seen these articles. I'm sure you have, right? The two most downloaded apps, or the two top rated apps right now, I don't know, on iPhone are Robinhood and Coinbase. People are out there to make money, okay? They're out there to make money. So you're not an idiot for using Robinhood. Clearly, I'm going to promote Webull. That's the link I use in the description. I don't have a Robinhood link out there. I'm for I've never had a problem with Webull. Other people may have. I don't know. But a lot of people always ask, do you think that Webull's going to screw us over like they did last time with GameStop and, halting all these shares? The answer to that is they could, but, they've got a lot of eyes on them and a lot of lawsuits right now. So they're going to be hard pressed to do anything too ridiculous. Will the squeeze be in July, in my opinion? In my opinion, I can't say when the squeeze will happen. I don't know if it could absolutely happen in July. There are things, and I've done videos on it, there are things. I need to buy a cat. Oh, a cat would be a terrible idea for me. There are things that need to happen before we see a squeeze. Like, as long as we're trading in a range like this, if price doesn't break out, we're going to be hard-pressed to squeeze. If volumes, if we continue to see people day trading and swing trading AMC all day long, we're going to be hard-pressed to find a squeeze, because the squeeze is going to occur when a margin call occurs, because the hedge funds, man, they want to play us. I don't think that they're going to go out and cover all of their shares on their own will, and just because they think it's the right thing to do, that they want to sell their shares. So I do believe that we need to see a margin call. I need a mascot. Guys, maybe I should bring one of those chickens over. I said my mom got 3 chickens last week, and I went over and I was hanging out with them yesterday. I think they might be cool. Bring some chicken. I can have some chicken mascots, right? I think that would be sweet. Like, just get a little chicken to sit right here on the arm of the chair. Let's give the suit some problems. Let's do it, Jeremy. Best way we can do that is if we hold. We're gonna be holding as hard as that nose is holding that sneezing. I hope that doesn't become a thing. I don't know why I couldn't sneeze. I'm sure if I rub my nose a little bit, I could sneeze. But hey, that might take top comment today, because that was pretty funny. I like that. JT, Northern Wisconsin. Is that where the Wisco comes from? JT Wisco? Ah, man, finally names are starting to make sense now. You see a dip, you buy. Zeusy. You see a dip, you buy. If everybody adds think about it. If you add 1 share a week, and how many people out there, I know 115 people on the live might not be enough to, make something happen. But if everybody that was investing in AMC just went out and bought 1 share a week, $10 falls to $9, you buy a $9 share, $11, add another share. At that point, the squeeze is imminent. It cannot not take place, because the beautiful thing about here's the thing, guys, and maybe some people out there might not quite understand it yet. The beautiful thing about a squeeze is that short positions have to be covered, okay? They have to be covered. It's not like if you go out and buy a share of Apple and just keep adding a share of Apple to your portfolio every week. it's different because at a certain point there may not be any buyers left for Apple. And I'm just using Apple as an example, right? Don't necessarily think that that's like the share that you should go out and be buying right now. But if you're buying a share of Apple, demand may one day be eaten up. But as long as there is short interest out on a stock, there will always be demand, no matter the price. And when that price gets that high, it has to be sold, and it has to be, they have to cover. So it's a perfect storm, and that's why so many people are excited about AMC. So when we see how many shares are available, I don't understand how the hedge funds keep shorting. Look, if you're wondering how they can continue shorting, I think you're looking at what, the 100% utilization rate. What's up, Clay, Matt, bro? You were here yesterday, weren't you? If you're looking at the 100% utilization rate, there's always shares being traded, right? We need to worry about the daily volume, how many shares are moving, and those shares moving into different hands, who then would be willing to loan them. So all of the numbers can constantly be changing, and that's why we have to play this as a very active trade. Matt Perry, did we close at 10:02? Is that what it was? You got a nice settle? Because I'm showing 10:02 right now. I got 10:02 on here. What's up, 10:01? Somebody said 10:01. Now you see 10:02. Oh, man. All right, look. When we see a break in the side, or we see a break in the chat, I gotta say, guys, if you're in here and you do like what we're talking about, make sure to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, subscribe to the channel. Tasha's back. Yes. Let me partner with you. With what? With UAI. I don't know. This is getting old, not you, this stock. I'm getting old as well. Trust me. John, I am getting old as well. But here's the deal. Don't think that the stock is getting old. And here's why I would say that. Yes, the day-to-day movement might be a little uneventful, right? It might be like, oh man, we're just $10, $11, $9, $12, $10, $11. But if you want to see a squeeze, don't be the guy that sells his shares and says, I can't take it anymore, and then the squeeze happens the next day, right? When the squeeze happens the next day and you sold out at 10 and it opens up tomorrow at 110, I think you might regret that. So my I don't want to say advice, right? Nobody can give advice anymore, but my opinion on that would be, if you've got a large portion of your portfolio in AMC and you're not seeing the action that you want to see, put something aside in AMC that you're willing to sit there and hold. Think about it like, okay, well, I've got money in the bank. It's doing absolutely nothing right now. If you want to see a squeeze and you want to participate, but you can't deal with keeping a large sum in AMC, hey man, set something aside so that you can still participate in the gains that we're going to see when it does squeeze. Major is 40. Jake isn't home, but Logan Paul is. He's down. What? Matt, he isn't home? What is that? Are we talking about AMC? Is Logan Paul in AMC? I don't even know. Look at that bull flag about to break out. Yes, Alex, top end realistically. What is the top end realistically for this? Realistically, I like that you put realistically in there, because I know that people are going to be tempted on the way up. Matt Perry says 100K. Theoretically, yes, 100K is definitely possible. Realistically, I know people will be tempted much before that, right? When you start seeing, no, stop, 100K, 100K, 100K. I know people are going to be tempted, guys. I know they will. If they're not, then guess what? Why not more than 100K? If everybody, and here's the deal with the 100K, right? Here's the deal with that. If all of us just said, and by all of us, I mean everybody holding AMC. I don't mean the 206 people in here. I mean all of us holding AMC. Put a sell limit at 100K. And we just walked away from our phones, walked away from our computers, went on vacation, and checked it when we got back. We would see 100K. Okay? But if you're sitting there watching, dude, in your portfolio, you got 100,000 in your portfolio, You got $1 million in your portfolio. Ah, boy. People are going to be clicking. People are going to be clicking. Our Planet sorry, I missed that one. Tell your money to go grab a shovel, get in the game, bros. Yeah, guys. We're burying hedges right now. That's what we're doing. If we all set the floor, Alex, yes. If we set it and we ride it up all together. But think about it like Red Rover, man. Some people don't have the same grip that you do. They don't have the same strength that you do. It's going to be breaking off one by one, one by one. So that's why I say that it has to be an active trade. You have to keep your eye on volume, and you have to know, you know, when you're willing to fold. Don't walk away from this trade thinking, oh, dang, I should have got out, but now I'm sitting back at $10 again. Just use the floor. So you guys, Big Dog. Oh, man, is Big Dog in here? Matt, is Big Dog in here? I emailed him back, too. How can we, I hope I saw that question right. Is that how can we get to this 10K and 100K if they keep halting? Here's the deal with halting, right? Halting doesn't do anything but halt the stock. Okay, that's all that halting does. They just say that traders need to take a break. Something's going on right here. A lot of people could get burnt, and we're going to, you know, they always have to make it seem like it's good for you, right? It's a good thing for the retail trader. It's going to give you time to think about what you're doing, right? Like, okay, go sit in timeout, go sit in the corner because you need to think about what you've done here. That's all that is. But there will be a lot of people who think, oh crap, they halted my position. This is money that they can just take from me. Boom, they're gonna hit their sell, they're gonna hit that sell button as soon as it becomes available again. So know that there will be people selling off, but if you hold through the halt, if you stay true to your game plan, it can rise from there, right? I don't know what a Greg is, sorry. Lucy, what's up, Lucy? Lucy's an OG in here too. Lucy's been on the comments for a long time. 7 more shares today. Nice pickup, Lucy. Adding shares on a little dip around $10. I like it. Where can you check the volume? Chris, you check the volume anywhere. If you don't have a broker, you can check it on Yahoo Finance or Bloomberg or Reuters or Financial Times, you know, wherever, Google, wherever. But volume is readily available on any brokerage account. Oh, I don't know what a Greg is, Matt. And, hey, you guys might think this is funny. I had to look up the other night when everybody was mad at me and everybody was calling me a shill. I had to look up what a shill was. I don't know what that is. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but maybe I should know what a Greg is too, I guess. Is that what the kids are calling people these days, a Greg? Amazon buying AMC. That's been a rumor for a while. I think that's just a rumor, though. Shill is bad. Yeah, shill would be bad, but a Greg is from Matt Kor's channel? I don't know what a Greg is. Is that a bad thing, too, or is that a good thing? You picked up 20 more today. Everybody's adding shares today. I love it. SD said he added. Lucy added. You added. AMC should buy IMAX. I gotta go look up a Greg. Yeah, Tasha, somebody needs to help me out with what a Greg is. Check what I said. Alex, say it again, man. I got 3 comments on the screen and I can't scroll up or I'll get lost forever. Chris added, not your business. I love it, guys. I love it. Watch Lou versus Wall Street. No, I watched another video from that guy earlier today. Someone was wanting to know what I thought about that. Nasty Investor, what's up? What's up, Claybro? What's up, Nasty Investor? Added more. Okay, everybody's adding on the dips. Look, guys, I want to see people add on the dips who are willing to hold AMC. I don't want to see people adding on dips and then selling AMC when they're up 5%. Shave your hair off, let your beard grow, switching things up in 2021. I could, like, move all this hair just down to here. It'd be like my face is upside down. Nasty Investor bought more today. 36 million in 1K. Yeah, that would be very nice. Though 36 million would be very nice. I completely agree with that. Oh, we're holding. Good. That's the kind of people I want to see holding because that's what's going to trigger a short squeeze. Day trading AMC all day long, swing trading AMC all day long will not trigger a squeeze. It'll just make you 5%. But I'm not in AMC for 5%. Letting it build and hold it out. Ebony, that's an excellent plan because if you build it slowly, you're going to be more likely psychologically to hold it. You're not like, oh man, I put $20,000 in AMC today. I want to see $30,000 tomorrow. It's going to be a position, and then when the squeeze happens, game over, right? Hit that Amazon wish list up. Rick added more. Brennan says, I think agreed with the guy above him. He added more. Massive dip before it squeezes. Do I think there will be a massive dip before it squeezes? Personally, no. I don't think there will be a massive dip before it squeezes. But, doesn't even watch. Oh, man. I really didn't watch that trailer. Nick, did you watch the extended one? Personally, I don't think there will be a massive dip before it squeezes. But look, here's the thing with that. If it does dip before it squeezes, I know a lot of people are going to go in and buy. It's going to cause a buying opportunity, which could help cause a squeeze, right? One share makes you an ape. Yes, Ebony, absolutely. And there's 244 people in here. I can't assume that everybody has AMC in their portfolio. So if you're out there and you don't have AMC, but you're thinking about buying AMC, thank you, Lucy. I appreciate that. We are going to the moon, ladies and gentlemen. Jamal Jackson with a super chat. Should I get a chicken or beef burrito? Quick, I'm next in line. Dude, go with the chicken burrito. Go with the chicken burrito. That's what I would get if I was out there. I'd probably go with the burrito bowl, though. But that's on you, man, if you want to go bowl style or if you're going actual burrito. But I would go chicken today. But it's probably because I had a hamburger last night. So I've already had the beef. I'm on chicken today. So that's on me. If anybody else wants to chime in what you'd go with, absolutely. Let this guy know. He's next in line. He needs to know now. But if he's listening to me, if he's got those headphones on, I'm saying chicken. 330 Robinhood, 62 people. Nice. Alex. Very good. Where's the beef? No, everybody's saying beef now. Don't confuse the guy. Now he's not going to know what to order. Everybody's saying beef but me. Oh, what? Ebony's got chicken. She's the only other person that said chicken in here. Do I think Doge is rising since Elon Musk? Yeah, I do believe that Doge is very connected to Elon, and a lot of people are really interested in what Elon's got to say about Doge. But on that, I also think that it's very important that Doge is forming very nice levels of support. Honestly, in my opinion, I thought when it shot up that one night that it was going to come back down and test 10 cents again. But I believe the lowest that it shot down to was like 17 cents. Oh, Lonnie with a super chat. What do we got here? I think AMC will hit 5K max per share when it happens. Lonnie, 5K, in my opinion, is going to be tough because I know people will be tempted. But, dude, 5K, it's absolutely possible if everybody holds the stock and doesn't allow these hedge funds to cover their shorts. Whatever your motivation is during this whole thing, if it's financial gain, if you've just had enough with the system making more money and everybody else not, like whatever you need to focus on during the squeeze, focus on that to squeeze out as much money as possible, right? Focus on something to hold out. But on the same hand, please do not hold all the way back down to $10 a share. Play it smart and know that we have to get out. We have to let them cover these positions at some point. So make peace with that before the squeeze happens, but focus on the beef. Dude, imagine how many burritos you can buy once AMC squeezes. Imagine, dude, we can have a beef and chicken burrito party for weeks. I don't understand the Doge. Listen, the Doge is a supply and demand type deal. People are jumping on it because they want to make more money, and the more people want to make more money, the higher the price goes, and it's a thing like that. Very interesting, very, very speculative as well, but very interesting. And I don't think the run in Doge is over yet, personally. They can't stop us. They can't stop us if we stay united, guys. They can't. My crypto, yes, I do have some crypto, Ebony. I've got some Doge, I've got some Raven Coin, and I've got some Zcash. Sell limits are bad. Sell limits are bad, but it's going to be necessary to take your profit at some point. So please take your profit at some point. Don't be holding AMC, for the next 3 years. Buy back into AMC if you want. Good to hear. Yes, Ebony, I do have. I think those are the only 3 I have. I had some Stellar Lumens, but I got rid of those a couple weeks ago. Took your sell limits off. Nice, Tasha. Nice. Take your sell limits off if you want, but please pay attention to what's going on. Don't just sit there. Oh yeah, Major with the super sticker. This is the second super sticker I've ever gotten. Thank you for the jumping game. I don't know if that has a name or something, but Thank you very much for the jumping game. I appreciate that. He who reveals his price first loses. That's what I think. Sell limits are bad. Hey, sell limits, it depends on who you are as a trader, right? Some guys, if you know that you're not going to be able to act rationally, if you know that you're not going to be able to take the pressure of the short squeeze and stay focused during it, hey, I can't argue with a guy that needs to use a sell limit. I cannot. If you know that price is going to change your life and you don't care if it goes up to $10,000 a share, then hey, sell limits for you. Absolutely. But if you want to stay in the game, if you want to be there and try to squeeze out as much as possible, that's a strategy too. Whatever works best for you is what I would always say is a good thing. Oh, no. I'm not a... Well, I can't be a Greg then because I've never spread any FUD in his channel. I am known as sort of an Elmer FUD for some reason. I'm pretty sure I like to keep it positive. Nasty investor. Yes. Thank you for the super sticker. Sorry about that, guys. Don't send me stuff like that if you don't expect creepy things to come out. Like, how am I not supposed to mimic that sticker? YouTuber Stephanie, thank you. Super chat, yes. Thank you for the super chat, Mr. Nasty. Well, Ebony, what am I supposed to do? Like, I got this creepy looking sticker on the screen. How, like, you gotta do something like that. Just get your email, bro. Big Dog, what's up? Big Dog is in the place tonight. Yes, I did email you back. I think Big Dog probably thought I was like trying to skip out on him or something because he emailed me like 3 days ago, but I did email him back today. All right, so whatever you want to come up with, man, my channel, your channel, however you want to do it, I think we could do something and be pretty cool. Now you have, oh man, I miss your chat, Chris. Now you have to do that every time you get a super. Not every time I get a super. If I get that super sticker, I'll do that, but not every time I get a super chat. You guys probably be leaving in troves. Did we finish above 10 today? Yes, 801 AMC. I think we finished it. Whatever it settled at, 1001, 1002. I was seeing a lot of 1001s and 1002. I was showing 1002. Have you watched the video of the guy crying inside of the car talking about the short squeeze? No, Christian, I haven't seen that video. Was he crying because he was happy or was he crying because he was sad? 1002 is what you're showing? Okay, cool. Guys, you like this bro water bottle? Because I'm thinking like if you like it, it might be something that we come out with. 1002, you like saying 1001 because we made it. Nice. All right, Alex, cool. 8 and you're clocking out of work. It's not 8 o'clock right now. What? That's dope. It's dope. I think it would be something cool, man. I really do. Because I'm always drinking water. Always drinking water. Not your business. Cool bottle. Yes. Love it. Great sis. I know. I highly doubt she's watching right now. Well, she could be. She's a teacher, so I don't know. She might be home by now. 8 more minutes. Okay. Very nice. What time do you get out, man? 4:30? I don't even know what time it is. Yeah, but she got one of those things. I don't know anything about it. You know those things that like you cut vinyl? What do they call them? A cricket or a cricker or something? She's got one of those, and she goes, "Oh, you're doing YouTube now. Any way I could help you?" And I'm like, "Well, I do think it would be pretty cool to have some bro stickers, and then you guys should see them." She's got like a giant bro sticker and just sheets and sheets of bro stickers that she printed me out and cut them out for me out of this vinyl stuff. And now like everything's bro around here. Was gonna eat today, but bought instead. Popcorn will be free this summer. Yes, popcorn better be free this summer, at least for the apes, right? At least for the shareholders. We need some popcorn dividends. Somebody needs to make something up about popcorn dividends. AMC can pay us a dividend if they want, but just a coupon for free share of popcorn would be nice. Teachers are awesome. You're a teacher. Nice, Ebony. That's awesome. Teachers, you guys got a hard job. I'll tell you that. Teachers do have you guys deserve a lot of respect. No joke, man. You guys do a lot. Jamal with a stuck with chicken. Good looking, fam. How many times a day? What? You go about 2 to at least, man. At least you got to keep it clean, right? At least you got to stay healthy. And if you're eating a lot of burritos, I think that that's pretty comfortable for you out there, Jamal. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the weird question, but you definitely got to keep it teacher in your own right, bro. Hey, thank you, Chris. That's the whole goal right here, guys. Whether you actually learn something or not, I hope that you feel comfortable. Because Trust me, with the stuff she says, with the stuff my sister says about the kids in her class, hey, these kids aren't afraid to ask questions, and you definitely shouldn't be afraid to ask a question. So just remember that. Remember the kid in you, okay? The kid in you wasn't afraid to ask a question. You shouldn't be afraid to ask a question either. That was pretty funny, D, wasn't it? Playing video games, currently playing Apex Legends. Drama Cave. I have not, and you guys might not like me for this, I have not played a video game since Call of Duty Black Ops. I think on PlayStation 3. I don't have any gaming systems, and it might be a downfall, but I do not game, and I'm not good at all. This is the place great to hang out after the bell, whether it's ready. Yeah, and that's what it's all about too, man, because Alex, if you guys, some people might be upset. They see a red day, they're like, man, is this thing ever going to turn? Hey, we'll sit here an hour after the close, maybe talking about why it closed lower, or if it's going to go down forever, or any doubts, any concerns you got, man. We're here to have a good time. Look, other channels might be full of technical analysis and full of people looking at charts all day, but this is a place where investors can hang out. We can just answer questions, ask questions, grow together. It doesn't have to be all boring and technical and everything else. Whoa, we got Lonnie with the Benjamin. I really want to know how you think AMC will get when the squeeze how you think what? I really want to know how you think AMC will get when the squeeze happens, because GME did hit 400 plus at one point. Can this be higher? Lonnie, here's gonna be my reasoning on why AMC can go higher than GameStop. And I did a very good video on this. If you haven't seen, well, I don't want to say very good. I did a video on this, right? If you haven't seen the GameStop versus AMC, it could be one that you want to go back and check, but I'll try to give it a decent answer here. AMC is a different beast than GameStop because GameStop kind of started it, right? A lot of people jumped on board to short squeezes afterwards to, think of GameStop like the practice round. It caught a lot of people off guard, and a lot of people weren't as focused. Now, there definitely was a lot of focus. DFV, Roaring Kitty, whatever you want to call him. Dude knows his stuff. Absolutely. Guys like that were focused. They were on it well beforehand. But now the amount of people that learned from that and are moving over to AMC, when they saw what was possible in a short squeeze, and now they're moving over to AMC, it could, and I say could because people are going to be tempted to take profits and all that stuff. But it could cause such a drastic difference in the two if people use what they learned and prepare with that knowledge and take that into the AMC squeeze. Very nice, Tasha. That's awesome. 90% of people know AMC can go higher than 500. I would say 1,000 or 2,000. Oh, absolutely. It can go higher than that. No doubt in my mind that it can go higher than that. It's just, you got to keep it real, guys, because, and I've said it, if you've watched any of these live streams lately, you've heard me say it, but there will always be somebody willing to work for less than you, always somebody willing to take less than you and undercut you and all of that. So, yes, 1,000's possible. Yes, 2,000's possible. All that stuff is theoretically possible. But because there will always be somebody willing to take less than you, it's going to dampen the true potential. Just had a Subaru customer. Matt, no, man, that's terrible. We don't need no Subaru customers. Keep it real in here, man. You just gotta let it bounce off you, dude. Let it bounce off you. Trust me, I saw a lot of Subaru stuff in the last week too. So, hey, let me ask you guys. Here's a question from me to you now, because you guys are asking a lot of questions for me. Here's a question from me to you, and I want to know who saw it, okay? If there's anybody in here, maybe this is the first time you saw me. There was a picture going around Reddit. I don't know who did it. Maybe you're in here watching it, and we're cool now. But there was a picture of me going around Reddit with the poop emoji on my head, talking about how people are out there spreading a bunch of FUD and all that. Nick F saw it. Guys, I want to know if anybody out there saw that picture, because I thought it was, hey man, if you're gonna meme me, do it good. JD. And the bad news is, my dad calls me up the next day and he's like, dude, are you gonna be on like The View or something today? It seems like everybody hates you. I just saw it. He's the one that told me about it. So it's like Oh, bad news. Claybo, that's the reason I came here to shit. No way, Matt. No way. No way. That's the first time. That's the first time you even saw me or anything. You didn't make that, did you? Carlos, yes, for real, man. I should do a video and I should pop it up on the screen. Give the dude credit for whoever made that. I thought it was funny, but you know, because people, I made a video and people disagreed with it or whatever. But yeah, dude, they had the poop emoji on my head and said some mean stuff about it. No comment, Matt. You better not have made that, man. No, that can't be. No, it can't. You didn't make that because if that's the reason you came to the channel, you would have had to have been on the channel before you made that. Yeah. You haven't seen Tasha. Oh, no. I hope it's... I'm pretty sure it was probably trending on Reddit for a while, but I think everybody might have calmed down a little bit, so... I needed to know who saw that. Nick F saw it. Maybe Matt saw it. I don't know. Hedge fund managers made it. Hey, they could have. 200 IQ plays. Yeah. Yeah, I got the poop emoji on my head, guys. But no, I thought that was hilarious. And maybe one day the dude that made that will be in here and he might be like, this dude's not so bad. We can hang out. He's cool. I posted a poop emoji on his head, but whatever. No worries, you're famous now. Lewis, I think far from famous, but look, dude, you want to see it. I have it on my phone. Obviously I had to screenshot it, but I don't have it. No, I'm drinking water, man. Hey, listen, guys, there's never anything but water in this water bottle. Hence the name water bottle. But, bro, water bottles coming soon. Clay, bro, head's fun. Yeah. You want to see it. Guys, maybe one day we'll have to bring this up on the stream and show it. Whoever can get the most creative meme out there, water bro. Alex. That's what it should be, man. A water bro. You guys don't buy water bottles, you buy water bros. And we all have water. And at the end of the close, like at the end of the day, we all take a sip together. That was a good day. During the squeeze, we're just calm down. The price is gonna go higher. Calm down. It's gonna go higher. Don't worry. We're just all hanging out together. 10:01, the bet. Yes, we won. We closed above 10. Since so many discussion boards, I listen to AMC DD and I'm away and work. Nice, Matt. There are a lot of places to get a lot of information on AMC. Absolutely. Final bell 10:03. Is that what you saw? I think I'm still showing 10:02 on my close. No, it's actually showing 10:03. Showing 10:03 now. Putting in your order for a water bottle now. Thanks. All right, perfect. I should get that set up. Maybe I'll work on that this weekend. Because I noticed, guys, a lot less people watch videos on the weekend, and I think it's probably because the market's closed, but I should do a little bit of work on that. Yes, there's Clay, and you need to get in on the DD. Oh, yeah, dude, I think that would be a good idea. I do. A lot. Here's the thing, though. You spend a lot of your day listening and talking about AMC. You gotta hang out a little bit, too, though. You know what I mean? You don't get consumed by it. Diversify your life like you diversify your portfolio. But learn as much as possible, because the more you know, the more you grow. You get... Okay, perfect. Matt, I'll definitely check out these emails afterwards. 10:03 and Cash App 2. Yeah, Weeble's showing 10:03. Speaking of Weeble, guys, if you have not started investing yet or you want to switch brokers from Robinhood to Weeble, there's a link in the description below for Weeble. Make sure to go check it out. Bro Game needs a sticker for our water. Yeah, we should. We should get a... Hold on. Were you talking about like an actual sticker like this, or are you talking about like a super chat sticker? Because can't on Twitch and stuff, can't you make actual stickers that people can use? Is that a thing? Like, can you do that on YouTube, customize all that stuff, or no? Guys, I'm so new to this, man, that I need your help when it comes to this kind of stuff. You can make... Matt don't know. Luca, yes, yep. Tasha, yep. Oh, I need to look at that then, because that'll be pretty sweet. Yeah, every time we get a water sticker, we got to all of us have to take a water break, not just me. Because here's the thing, guys. The more water breaks I take, the more I'm going to have to go to the bathroom when I'm sitting here, and that's not going to be comfortable. Out, Clay, bro. Have a good day. JD, have a great weekend, man. I don't know if I'll be doing live streams this weekend. I think I might just keep them, consistent or into the close and stuff like that. But what's the mascot for my channel? Dude, I don't know. We're going to need like one of these chickens running around or something, right? What was I saying? Oh, have a good weekend, JD. Thanks for coming, man. And hey, if you're leaving and you haven't clicked the like button yet, you just let YouTube know that we're having a good time here. Make sure to click that like button. And, if you don't want to throw a chat in, if you're just sitting out there watching, do that. Click that like button too. Bro Bottle, ask him. Austin, what's the Bro Bottle? What's my thought for next week on AMC? Dom, my thought for next week on AMC is going higher, right? You got to think positive. You got to stay positive. But here's the thing with that. You look at it coming back down to the $10 mark. $10 is just a significant, psychological level of support and resistance. So that's good. I would say a bigger level of support is going to be at the $9.50 range. But $10 is pretty good. So if we pull back a little bit, we'll probably see $9.50 and then bounce off of it. So I think that would be something good. You should sell a poop emoji. SD. We might be able to break. I think the guy that made that meme of me or made that picture of me might get a little mad. I don't know if I throw a poop emoji on a water bottle or something. I could use a new water bottle. Yes, I could. This water bottle, honestly, it's probably 8 years old. Nice, Don. Can AMC hit $30 a share? Yeah, AMC can hit $30 a share. AMC is going to be going much higher if it squeezes than $30 a share. $30 a share, I would be comfortable giving a price estimate on $30 a share if we were talking about fundamentally valuing AMC at a near-term future date, like next 2 years maybe, $30 a share. But I'm not holding for a fundamental value. I'm holding for a squeeze. Yeah, Matt. AMC will hit 30 sometime in the future, after the pandemic, after people start going to the movies, revenue rises, all that stuff. I think we can hit 16 to 20 in May. Carlos, absolutely, man. Here's the thing. The next level of real resistance that I'm looking at is going to be, we got to test that recent high at about $12 and something, $12.20 again, and then $14.50. What do I think about Netflix buying AMC? I think a lot of the rumors about mergers and acquisitions are going to be rumors for a while. I highly doubt that Netflix would do anything like that. They don't even know what kind of monster they created. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Guys. Think about this. Just everybody take a moment of silence and think about the squeeze and how high the price can go. And how we're all going to be buying so many burritos afterwards. It's going to be very nice. Diana just added 50 more today. That's what I'm talking about. Check VXRT. It's a pill for... Yeah, I was looking at that. Man, before the short squeeze was even a thing, I did a video on VaxArt, right? That's what that is, VXRT. I did a video on that a long time ago. And I haven't checked up on the progress lately on how that pill's coming, but it was a consumable pill for COVID vaccine, right? Not a injectable. Tacos, sir. Dude, you don't even want to get me started on tacos. Taco Tuesday that's my thing. You saw it here. Nice! Major with a super chat. Clay, bro, say hi to my wife, Alexis, who is working while listening to you. She is a NP. For my fellow apes, that means nurse practitioner. Guys, we need to say hello. Everybody give a shout out to Alexis right now. Alexis, how are you? You've got, actually, I don't know if your weekend starts now or not, if you've got to work over the weekend. I don't know what your schedule looks like. But, what's up, Alexis? I hope that you're having a wonderful day, that the rest of your shift goes absolutely amazing, and that you hold the stock, right? Look at that. That's very nice. That's very nice. Everybody's saying hello to Alexis right now. That's what I'm talking. That's community, guys. That's community. Nurse here as well. Man, we've got nurses. We've got teachers. We've got people saying hello to Alexis. Guys, now you're making me nervous. Now you're making me nervous because don't quit your jobs if AMC squeezes and we all become millionaires. What the heck are we all going to do? We need teachers. We need nurses. We need you guys sticking around. So, nurses as well. Dude, we've probably got firefighters, cops, nurses, teachers in here. This could be a bad thing now that I'm thinking about it. Everybody's going to be multimillionaires. Oh, no. Yeah, no quitting. There's no job quitting after this because we need you guys. Ebony, we need you. Alexis, we need you. Ebony, we need you. Oh, LG's a nurse and tired. No. Hairstylist. I don't want to say that, listen, hairstylist, hopefully you think my hair is okay. I do my own hair, so hopefully you think that's okay, but oh no. Happy to be a millionaire at 23, Luca. I'm going to be happy to be a millionaire in my 30s. Yes. Truck driver, Carlos, guys, oh no, this is going to be terrible. This is going to be terrible. The hedge funds, I should make a video spreading FUD, how we can't have the squeeze because we're going to be losing all of these jobs now. Everybody's going to be, there. No more teachers, no more nurses. We're all going to get sick. All our kids are going to be dumb. Like, oh no. Look what you started, man. Alexis, don't do it. Lucy's a caregiver, but it's not going to quit. Good. Part-time instead of full-time. That's what I like. We still need people to stick around and take care of us. 445, you're going to be a millionaire. Nice, Tasha. Nice. Delivery guy. Hey, delivery guy, that job might go up because everybody's going to be sitting at home with their millions just ordering burritos. And then somebody's going to have to deliver them, right? Pipe fitter. Jose. Oh, no, we need all you guys. Everyone needs bartenders. Number one essential. Oh, no. Just sell all your shares except for one. Just sit on one share because we need to make enough to be comfortable. But now I'm seeing we can't lose our jobs now, guys. You guys are way more important than the $1 million that we're all gonna have after this. Web developer. Oh no, we need websites. Clay, favorite movie? Go. I don't know. Listen, here's the thing about that. Every single movie I watch, I get done watching it and I'm like, that was the best movie I've ever seen. Best movie I've ever seen. Never fails. Never fails to happen. Favorite series for sure is the Fast and Furious series. No doubt on that one. But recently I've watched a couple of them. Archive with, what is his name? Theodore Jane? Is that what his name is? I forget the dude now. The dude that was in Divergent. But, yeah, it sounds like you. Ebony, it's every single movie. No, Nick, I did not watch the trailer yet. I knew I should have watched it before this because I knew you were going to get on me. AMC's going down. AMC, hey, after hours, it's $10 still. Mortal Kombat. No, I did not see Mortal Kombat yet. No. Oh, yeah, Tasha, I can't either. What am I throwing on the grill? I had burgers yesterday, so I don't know what it's going to be today, honestly. Yes. Can I do an inverted thing? If I was in Australia, my hair would definitely go the other way. Matrix. I watched The Matrix not too long. I watched all of those again not too long ago. But room tour, the place looks nice. Look, I'll give you the wall tour. The nice wall, right? Nice wall tour. If it hits over $100 a share, I think we're going to hit so much higher than $100 a share that won't even be a problem. That wouldn't even be a problem. Anyone make some money on AMC puts? I don't know. Hamo, if you guys know what you're doing with options contracts, absolutely make some money and then go buy AMC if you want. But that would be, in my opinion, that might be a better way to make some short-term profits on AMC than actually day trading AMC. I don't like to see people day trading AMC. Let me see them toes. Daniel, no, man. Oh my God. If anybody's, no. I'm not even going to go down that rabbit hole for sure. Oh my gosh. Very sharp guy. Can you tell us your background? Yes. Maybe. Maybe some other time. My background, listen, I've got a background, right? And it takes a while to get where you are. I'm 31. You guys can know how old I am. 31. So background goes back a ways, right? No, guys, I'm actually wearing a jacket. I'm not very hot right now. Don't know Alex doesn't know what he's doing, but he still buys options. Alex, man, if you don't know what you're doing and you still buy options, hey, that's a strategy. You can use options as leverage, but there are a lot of actual good strategies that you can use using options to either limit downside risk, to take advantage of the upside, to create synthetic shares, all of that, man. So read the whole shit. I didn't see it, dude. Send it again. Copy and paste it again. You know what you're doing enough. Good. Jason Statham. I don't know. Is this a Jason Statham jacket? It's Reebok. Live streams are fun, Clay, bro. Nasty investor. We gotta have fun, man. We gotta have fun. If we're making money, it's just like we could sit here and do nothing and have fun. But the days that stuff is down, on the red days, on the red weeks, you gotta have fun to stay motivated, right? As soon as you start to dwell on negatives and reds, it's not good, dude. You gotta stay positive. Here's what you missed. I know enough to make some money on, lose some too. Today you lost on $12 calls. Well, man, next week you might gain on some $12 calls. That's the beauty of the stock market. It's down, it's up, it's down, it's up. Destin, Florida. Destin, Florida is a very beautiful place. Lancer, wait, did somebody ask a question? What's gonna go? What you guys are gonna do when AMC squeezes, and where you're from? Did somebody ask that question, or am I just reading this stuff? Just learn not to. Yeah, hey, they can be a good way to protect against volatility, though, too. You know what I mean? If you're only buying calls, or if you're only selling puts or buying puts, like if you're playing it one way, you might not want to play around with the volatility. Where am I from? Ohio. Nick, where's everybody from in here, guys? Where's everybody from? Where are you from? Not asking. Yeah, you're not delivering a pizza. Ohio. So a little cool today, guys. It was kind of crappy out this morning. Cloudy, 50. But it looks like the sun's actually shining now, so that's nice. This is what I like to see. Maybe the chat's over here. This is what I like to see, guys. Nice. From Ebony, you're real close. From Cleveland, live in Columbus now. Very nice. Everybody from all over the place. Germany. Look at this. Croatia. Cincinnati, Michigan. 87, man. I wish it was 87 here. Soul Mortal Kombat, really good. Sequel for sure. Nice, SD. Illinois, Colorado, Sweden. Look at this, guys. This is a worldwide movement in Jamaica. Negril, Jamaica is very nice. I've been there. A very nice movement that everybody's joining together on. And this is what it's all about, the ghetto. Somebody says the ghetto. Change my name to Clay Bruh. Hey, if we see a secondary channel come on about Clay Bruh, you gotta keep it with the Clay Bro, right? Oh man, Bavaria, wow, Detroit, okay, oh man, it makes me happy to know that so many people are coming together from so many different places. Sunny South Florida, move out. You're gonna move out of California when AMC squeezes, okay? Honolulu, Matt, bro, there you go. I like it. Algeria, Malik, is this true? Man. Baltimore, Michigan, what's for dinner? Phineas, I'm not 100% sure what's for dinner yet. Clay bruh. Stocks are global, invest local. AMC, GME to the moon. Dude, AMC, GME to the moon. 100%. Subway, I probably won't do Subway today. I don't know. Hedgies are for dinner. I like it. Italy, Texas, all right. Move to Florida, that's your dream. Very nice. California kid, Mexico City. There you go. Definitely going to Vegas after this. Like permanently, or you're just going to Vegas. You're going to have some fun in Vegas after this. Because I know you guys got some dream vacations planned. I know you guys got that dream car planned. All that stuff. Here's what I want to see, guys. Here's what I want to see. Because let's speak hypothetically for a second, all right? AMC squeezes. It squeezes. Let's just say $1,000 a share. Let's just say each one of us have over $1 million in our accounts when all of this is over with. Use that $1 million to take you through the rest of your life, living the best life possible. Don't go buy a Bugatti and then drive it to teach your class. Right? Use that to really set you up, whether you reinvest it or whatever, make sure that you take advantage of this opportunity. Real estate, man, whatever it is going to be, please don't go blow it. Yeah. Hey, man, I guess, Phineas, if you spread it out throughout a long enough period of time, I guess you could be okay with that, but allow this money to work for you, okay? Yes, guys. And hey, if you're sitting on 50,000 shares, hey, you can go buy a Bugatti and everything else too, but use this as an opportunity to really, really set yourself up for the rest of your life. Vinny, it's 921 shares. Hey, man, at 1,000, I don't know if you could spread that out well enough throughout the rest of your life on what you were talking about spending it on, but maybe 10,000. Twitch? What about Twitch? Do I stream on Twitch? No. And don't forget to pay your taxes. Yes. Either don't forget to pay your taxes or, hurry up and leave to the moon where they can't tax you. Buy a home. Buy a home and don't go out and put $1 million down payment on a $10 million house either. If you got $1 million, buy a home that's going to be paid off and you're never going to have to worry about the stress of paying rent or paying a mortgage. Do that. Play it smart. Because a lot of people, they'd go buy a $10 million home if they had $1 million after the squeeze. 777 shit. He's looking lucky. I like it. You stable coin an extra 8.5%. Is that what that was? House you're gonna buy is $5 million. Hey, as long as you got that, I wouldn't say go put a $500,000 down payment on a $5 million house. Definitely you're playing good. Ebony, perfect, man. Because I know that this could really set a lot of people up. That it's going to be a good situation if you take it right. Reinvest and stay. That's the key right there, man. Stay wealthy. You see a lot of people come into money fast. If you look at all the stories about lottery winners and stuff like that, you see a lot of, you're going to buy as perfect. Don't be one of those. Stay wealthy, because this opportunity, this short squeeze is not going to come around again in the same fashion. So use this, learn from it, and man, set yourself on that path that you need to go. You need to make this smart money for us. Dude, that is the best, Alex. That is one of the best things that could ever come from this situation right here. Personally, 5 lottery winners that are mostly broke now. Man, that's because you can plan for it all day long, but you gotta stay focused, man. If you think you got $1 million and you go buy a $10 million house, it's bad news. Luca, once in a lifetime opportunity, so treat it as that. Don't ever think that AMC is gonna squeeze twice, and that it's okay if I go blow all my money the first time around, because I'll jump back in on the second squeeze. This is something that nobody's ever set themselves up for, and trust me when I tell you this, trust me, the hedge funds, institutions, regulation could all change following this, because guys, the hedge funds that lose hundreds of billions of dollars, they're not going to make that same mistake twice. Regulators, when they see that how unstable the financial system is, they're not going to let that stuff hang around and see that twice. So please take advantage. If you stop watching YouTube videos after the squeeze, just remember this day right here, and do not think that it's going to come around again and that you could just go and squander something on a Bugatti or whatever. Hedges against the funds, man. It's winning the lottery and buying. Hey, if you win the lottery and you want to buy some more AMC, absolutely. Does my family not believe in AMC 100K? Listen, I don't know. My family may or may not be watching right now. My mom would say no, because I don't think she understands what's going on. But I believe that they think AMC 100K is theoretically possible, yes. But I would say that no, they don't think that it's realistically possible. 882 shares on other trades. Squeeze before I blow all my shares. Listen, if you're going to make trades, stay diversified. Don't put your whole portfolio in AMC and just sit here and wait. Day trade some other stuff, swing trade some other stuff. Put a portion of the profits back into AMC if you like. Buy a house, pay for school, kids better future. Yes, reinvest the money. Teach your kids how to hold AMC. There you go, Omar. That is the future, my man. That is the future. No, I've never been to Flying Pizzas in Dayton. Is it a good place? It sounds like it would be a good place, actually. Sounds like it would be a very good place. I gotta stop drinking. I'm looking at the clock. We're hour and 9 minutes in. I figure I'll be here another 20 minutes. I gotta stop drinking out of that bro bottle. Water bro bottle? I don't know what it was. Why do you spread FUD like the video you put on the 500 million shares that video you put on? Shannon, I think that you may misunderstand some of the videos that I put out. There's a big difference in spreading FUD and keeping things realistic in the truth in what's happening here. We have to be prepared. Water brodel. Water brodel. Yeah. Nobody's here to spread FUD, but we are here to keep it realistic so we don't get, we don't get caught sleeping. Media's on the hedge fund side, and the media always will be, because you know where they get their funding from. Ohio, nasty investor. How about you? AMC really going to reach 100,000 per share? Theoretically, yes. Realistically, probably not. I think the people are going to take profits much before that. Great videos. Environmental, thank you. So I appreciate listen, people like the videos, people dislike the videos. Obviously, I appreciate both sides, but what I appreciate most is if you don't like the video, but you're not rude, right? If you do like the video, I don't see why you would be rude, but if there's some people out there who don't like it, man, that's fine. You disagree. I disagree with people. You can disagree with me. Haters always say, dude, it's whatever. It comes with the game, but, you're never going to grow by hating. People are going to be selling the second they see 1,000. Hey, Luca, some people are going to sell the second they see $20. The day traders and swing traders out there are going to be getting out early. But yeah, a lot of people, dude, they see $1,000 per share in their account. Their account size is huge. I think a lot of people will. Why ignore me? Hey, I don't ignore you. If I missed the chat, dude, there's a lot of chat going. Trust me. If I miss a question, don't be afraid to copy it and paste it again. Take people's comments with a grain of salt. Oh, you have to. I mean, listen, at the end of the day, there's going to be people who do agree with you, people who disagree with you. You can never please everybody. Roommate's going to sell at $20. You want to slap him? Hey, just go change his password. You can't sell at $20 if you can't access his account, right? Who hates on bro? Hamo. They're out there. Evident by the, the emoji picture we were talking about earlier. Did I cover the 1003? Yeah, we talked about the close. We definitely talked about the close. Gang no squad. I hope he sells and then it squeezes. Luca, that would be funny. Hey, if he sells at $20, he still made some good money, right? He still doubled his money potentially, or maybe even did better if he's in earlier. It's just strange that there's so many people from Ohio, isn't it? It's very strange that there's so many people from Ohio, because who would have knew? Who would have guessed? What? Many oh, Corey, there are many out there. Many out there. Just join. Quick recap. Closed at about $10.03, down a little bit for the day, but just around that level of resistance at $10 to the $9.50 range. Going into next week, obviously we're hoping for a bounce back up. Going to test resistance at $12.20. Hopefully break through that. Hit $14.50. Everybody's having a good day. I do went with a chicken burrito. Alexis is a nurse. Ebony's a school teacher. What else we got? If I missed anything in that recap, Jeff's from Buffalo, New York. I think I covered everything. If I missed something, let me know. Oh, bro, water bottle potentially coming soon. Dude, I think we hit it, man. Phineas says, yeah, good recap there. One with the Subway melt today. All right, there we go. Subway melt. Somebody else had a burrito. We're all doing good. We're all staying fed. Mortgage brokers, sunny South Florida. Man, it must be so nice to be living in sunny South Florida. It's overcast. Here comes the sneeze again. Here comes this. Oh my gosh. Oh, recap to the very beginning. I've been holding in this sneeze unintentionally for the last hour and 14 minutes. So if you see me crying, it's not because AMC closed lower. If you see me crying, it's literally because there's some squeeze. That's how much I say squeeze during the day. I can't say sneeze anymore. There's some sneeze stuck sideways, and it won't come out. Bless you, bro. Yeah, now I'm never going to be able to sneeze because she's already said bless you. Oh, my gosh. It all comes back to where it started. Oh, geez. Hi, Alexis. Yes, Alexis the nurse. I don't know if you're still watching or not. What do I think about GameStop? I think that GameStop's a good stock. I don't know necessarily if it's worth the value that it's currently trading at, but I believe the future potential, if they do take over the transition from retail to online, they're going to D214. I'm never going to sneeze now. I'm allergic to AMC. Not true. I'm allergic to everything else in life but AMC. Juan has been long out of the pick. I don't know if they're necessarily long out of the pick, but hopefully they don't cap us. Max share price we can realistically achieve. Hard to say, man. I think that, I think $1,000 would definitely be hard to break. I think that knowing that GameStop hit 400, AMC, a lot of people are liking those round numbers. But if I throw out 1,000 or if I throw out 10,000 or 100, it's something that we're going to have to play actively while it squeezes. I'll say that today. I'll say it tomorrow. I probably won't say it tomorrow. I don't think I'll live stream on the weekend. But it's going to be something that needs to be actively traded. Dude, if we hit 500 a share and volume is nothing, then I'm not even worried. If we hit 500 a share and volume is 1 billion shares being traded, I don't think that we're going to have too much of a chance to go much higher than that. Want to trade trades and got a meatball sub. Guys, isn't it funny, man? I saw that video come out yesterday. I don't know how many views he's got today, but isn't it funny that 20,000 people would click on a video of a dude eating a Subway sandwich? This is a 4-minute video of someone eating a Subway sandwich. I love it. No, Philip, I have not been to Flying Pizzas. Second time you asked that question, though, man. Do you own Flying Pizzas? If you do, give your business a shout out, man. Somebody in the Dayton area might go check out Flying Pizzas. I think a few years from now, you're going to be relaxing in your home, watching videos, telling your family how everything happened. Lucy, wouldn't that be the ideal situation? And the key word there is relaxing, man. This whole thing's going to set us all up so that we're just going to be able to relax and learn and telling the stories on. And think about it this way, guys. There's some dudes out there that probably bought Bitcoin at $10 a coin and they're still holding it. We'll be like, yeah, AMC did it. Your neighbors are going to be like, oh, what do you do? What kind of business do you own? You'll be like, nah, AMC 2021. And they'll be like, me too. My turn, sub time. I don't have any subs here with me. The best you guys could see is like some turkey lunch meat. Right, Ebony. Yeah. Oh, did you see the new neighbors moved into town? What do you guys do? You own a business? How can you afford a place like this? AMC 2021. That's it. Me too. Then you guys can become best friends. Yeah, this is God's eyes and no man can stop it. Tasha, if no one man can stop this, let's say that no one man can stop this. I just hope that everybody doesn't jump ship early, right? Arcat, what is that? Lemon, is that for a squeeze? I don't know what's going on here. Yo, NBA, what's up? Shares that hedges buy against the calls that end up expiring out of the money. Well, if the hedge funds are buying shares, they would have those shares, right? Or are you talking about like if they, bought out of the money calls and expired worthless? Philip, call some banks and have them make the margin calls already. Guys, I should do a video on that. If you guys want to see some shorts, some stupid shorts, I can just sit there and call some banks up. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Do you think that you could do a margin call on AMC right now and, really get this thing moving? Sir, this is a local branch for Huntington Bank. Like, what are you asking that we do? Oh, could you, contact or put me in contact with somebody that can trigger a margin call, please? That would be pretty entertaining. I don't think that it would get anywhere, but it would be pretty entertaining. Carlos, still giving free. I think we should do that again. Yeah, the one video I did that on really worked out very well. It was a good video. I had a lot of fun with that. The comments were absolutely amazing. We're banks already. Yes. We're ready, banks. No, but I think we should do that. What do you guys think about that? I think that we can incorporate that into these live streams as well as the videos too, because I had a lot of fun. And Gordon, man, I know that Gordon went in. He's probably still holding, so he's probably at break even now. But I think that was a lot of fun. And the best part about it is that, you guys leave comments on the videos. YouTube sees it. They're like, oh, people like this video. Maybe we should have some more people see this video. So the video gets more views. More people learn about AMC. Somebody wins a share of AMC. It's a win-win for everybody. Something about everybody. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't read the full comment. I started scrolling away too fast. But if everybody tells somebody about AMC, everybody's going to know about AMC. Need at least 10K. Dude, I would hope for 10K. I don't know if we'll get there, but I really hope for it. Like this video. Thank you, DD214. Tell your family. Dude, I'd tell my family. That's just me, though. I know not everybody would, but I think at this point, dude, I don't think that I would have to tell my family or not. I make YouTube videos on AMC, so I'm pretty sure that, they would know what was going. If AMC skyrockets, I'm pretty sure that they're going to know that I'm involved with AMC, right? So if you were asking me personally, I don't think I would even have to tell them. I think that they would know, especially if they caught the live stream when it's squeezing and they see the party that's taking place. It's going to be pretty obvious. Hey, and that's not everybody would, right? Ebony, that's probably one of the truest statements anybody could ever make. A lot of people don't have what it takes. They don't want to be. They don't want to take risks. They can't risk it. It's a certain mentality, and that's why I like to, mix it, reality with the mentality of this is something special. So don't just dream it. Do it, but don't just lose that dream afterwards either. Don't think that this is some lottery ticket chance. Use this as a chance to really change your life forever. It's going to be a good thing. Jason, to honestly answer that, we're not looking like this is soon, but there's a lot of things that could make it happen soon. I don't think with the current share price and with the current volume and with the potential that hedge funds are actually profitable on some of their shorts, that this is going to be something that happens right now at this price. There would have to be some sort of an external factor that came in to really make it happen, but there's still some work to be done here, in my opinion. Unless you think that soon is like, a couple months away. Then, yeah, a lot could change over the next couple months. But if you think soon is next week, catalyst. I mean, you could have new regulation come in. You could have hedge funds over leveraged in something else. The price could spike up. The earnings call for some reason could be ridiculously good, and the price could spike up. Everybody could diamond hand it. These people that are out there day trading and swing trading AMC could just stop doing that, and volume could go to zero. Like, there's a ton of catalysts that could really trigger it, but yeah, it would really be nice. And they all could cancel each other out though too. You know what I mean? Like if nobody's buying but the price goes to zero, it's like, okay, well those two cancel each other out. High volume but the price spikes up. Okay, that's a good thing. There's a ton of stuff that has to really fall into place to make it happen. New York City fully opens up July 1st. Nice. I know New York City's going to be a huge impact. They're going to come after. Hey, they might major. They might, man. I try to keep it energetic, guys. I try to keep it energetic. They're coming. They're coming for us. Transfer today? Transfer what? To Weeble, or are you talking about something else? Guys, I'm very sorry if I missed any of these comments. Hey, and listen, if you're scared, I know it leads me into the, spiel about using the link in the description below for Weeble or whatever. If you're thinking that you're gonna miss out on the squeeze because you're transferring from Robinhood to Weeble or something like that, don't worry. Don't worry about that. This is not something that's gonna happen. It's very, very. It's almost a lottery ticket chance that this is something that happens in the next week. You know, so many things have to fall into place that you feel comfortable that you could transfer to Webull or any other broker. Yes, very low volume. What was it? 30 million? I didn't see what we closed. I didn't see what the volume closed at, but it was very low volume, and that's guys, people holding, man. That's the difference that we can actually make. 39 million. That's the difference that we can actually make. That Larson, that number I do not know. I don't know how many options expired at 10 today. But if anybody else does, please chime in. Answer Larson. But that's the difference that we can make. If we hold AMC, we can hold AMC. Living in an Amish paradise. Yes. CWF, you remember. What camera do I use? I use the front-facing camera on my Galaxy S20. And how much was it? I think the phone was like $600. And that's it, dude. That's all the videos. That's what I'm using right now. It's the front-facing camera too, man. Not even the back. Expired. Oh, Wyatt, you got the number on how many options expired? Okay, cool. Weird Al. Yeah, he was messing around because I said that I'm pretty close to the Amish. 27 million showing up on Robinhood. Okay. Squeeze going to happen this year? Hey, I definitely think the squeeze is something that's going to happen this year. Wyatt Teller, you always give it. Nick, nobody, who knows who Wyatt Teller is? I don't know. Must be a sports player because I have no idea who that is. Robinhood, Webull, what was all this? Hey, man, and you know, businesses are in business with other businesses, right? Money stays where the money's at, and yeah, they're all gonna be hanging out with each other at the end. So, if you're comfortable with Webull, if you're not comfortable with Robinhood, your broker's your choice. At the end of the day, I'm gonna tell you to use Webull because I use Webull, and you know you can use that link, and everybody wins by getting free shares and stuff. But dude, I don't have a problem with Robinhood or any other broker for that matter. And breaks in the chat like this, it's excellent. Guys, there's 199 people in here right now, 138 likes. Shouldn't the likes be more than the current viewers? Because I know a lot of people left. Bengals or Browns? Browns. Ask me to name somebody on the Browns besides Baker Mayfield. Not going to happen. Freddie, I hope not. I know a hedge fund manager or somebody that works at a hedge fund did the other day. It's very sad, but Steelers. Oh no, Ebony, no. No, I don't really care. Use E-Trade, never had any issues. No free shares to sign up. Yeah, I think E-Trade has a different type of referral program or whatever. You get to deposit like $500,000 in E-Trade before you even get noticed by them and stuff. It's kind of weird. I'm trying to pin you to a region. Okay. Stock market will crash because of the squeeze. I don't think so. No, NBA, I don't think that the stock market's going to crash because of the squeeze, because I think that I think that the hedge funds are actually going to cover their positions. A lot of people might speculate that insurance is going to have to kick in and the hedge funds are just going to be not greedy or whatever, but that they're not going to cover their shares, and these ridiculously high numbers are going to come into place, and it's going to cause financial collapse and all that. But I think that the hedge funds will cover their shares. It's just going to be how long can we hold them out for, how much can we take from them, and all of that. You know, so I don't think it's going to cause a financial collapse, but I think that the hedge funds are really going to be bleeding following it. 100% you see a lot of... Yeah, I mean, stocks could take a dive, but I don't think it's going to be something that, like, causes a crash. Yeah, they could absolutely... Stock prices could go down like that, but another thing is if we all reinvest the money that we make on AMC stock, how many billions can they fight with? Hey, they could fight with all the billions that they have, but It's just how much are they willing to lose? You know, they will cut their losses at a certain point. And the beauty is, those losses that they cut go to you. The losses that they cut go to me. It's not like, you know, the money's just disappearing. It's just going from them to us. Everyone, what should you eat for dinner tonight? You going out or you staying in? That's the main question. Oh, guys, we've been here an hour and a half. All right, we're gonna wrap it up soon. You want their money? No, Amy, I've not been there. If that helps you decide. You want their money so bad, Larson. I think we all want their money so bad. It's just how much of their money do we want? You know what I mean? Staying in. You ordering, like you got takein or you cooking? Yeah. Amy, I don't know. Higher, okay, will AMC squeeze higher than 500 a share? Realistically, I think it could. It's going to be tough. 500, I believe 500 is going to be like a safe area. I feel like people are going to be like, oh, GameStop squeezed to 100 or 500. AMC could squeeze to 500. It's going to be a number where people are kind of, you know, getting nervous. A lot of people are taking their profits because there's something psychologically significant about 100, 500, 1,000, you know, round numbers like that. So people are going to be setting their take profits and stuff at these numbers. Tamale sounds delicious. Steaks on the grill, boy. It's like 50 degrees outside right now. I don't know if I'll grill today or what I'm doing. 821. Hey, Freddie, good plan. Freddie, good plan. But if I can give you, you know, my opinion, I don't know why people can't say advice, right? I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, so can I give you advice? I don't know. But my opinion on that, 821, perfect, man. If that's what you're comfortable with, excellent. Excellent take profit. But don't be afraid to call an audible if you see it hit 820. You know, if you see it hit 820 and start to fall, and it looks like it's coming down, and the volume is really high, thinking the shorts may have covered, don't be afraid to call that audible. Don't be holding AMC at $10 a share, knowing that it hit $800 a share. Don't hold it all the way back down to $10. Oh, we got some nice football jokes coming in now. I like it. All right, look, guys, we'll be here a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna call it for the evening. Probably no live streams this weekend. I don't know. I think it might just be like an into the close thing during the weekends or during the week, and then chill on the weekends. I don't know. You want 4,000 to 5,000? Hey, not your business, man. There's nothing to say that it can't hit that, except the likelihood that it'll hit that. You know what I mean? Color crayons do I like to eat? They all taste the same. Average is 754. Good average because you're still up. Love the honesty, not 100% hype. Hey, man, Matthew, welcome to the channel because there's a ton of Matthews that hang out in here. But, dude, I try to keep it honest because I don't want to see anybody lose this opportunity. You know, I don't want to see anybody lose this opportunity. Nobody's going to get it out right at the peak or anything like that. You know, but I don't want to see anybody lose out on this opportunity to make life-changing money. So that's why I try to keep it real, right? Red ones taste the best. Larson says red ones taste the best. They all taste the same. She likes the white ones. Now everybody's eating crayons. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What do I think China's doing about Taiwan? I don't know if I saw anything about China versus Taiwan or anything like that. Oh man. What do I think of UFC becoming publicly traded? I guess I don't have a strong opinion on that. You would love that. Wouldn't that be interesting? Like if they started a live stream, somebody hacked Citadel and started a live stream there, and we could just watch them all day like Big Brother. That would be pretty green crayon. Oh my gosh. We're still on crayons, guys. We're still on crayons. Everybody has their own opinion on how the crayons taste. We need a meet and greet with Clint. I think that would be pretty sweet, wouldn't it? Larson spent 4 years in the Marines. Ate a lot of... Okay. so that you know which ones taste the best and which ones don't. Oh, Mark, yeah, man. Listen, at least I try, right? I try to look at stuff from all angles and see what's best. And I don't know if the whole ape thing is that you're not supposed to think critically and you're just supposed to buy and hold. Like, just stick to one plan, and which is a good plan if everybody does stick to it, right? But I don't know, man. I just want to see people make money. And when I say I want to see people make money, I know people work for hedge funds, but I want to see people, retail investors, making money in this movement. Hedge funds are still going to be around afterwards, guys. It's not like it's going to be the end of the world for them. They're still going to be around. I just want all of us to really take advantage of it. You put AMC flyers on their cars. Hey, dude, you could do that, or you could just, airdrop them the link to this video or something, and then everybody will know a little bit more about AMC. I'll get you gluten-free crayons. Aren't all crayons gluten-free? May, September, your prediction? Hey, absolutely, it could happen. Oh, okay, there you go. Matthew owns a flyer delivery company. Good. AMC flyers, there you go. Dude, you should put some Claybro flyers on there too. Like, just put a little Claybro logo at the bottom of them. They'll come check out the YouTube channel to learn something too. It'll be all good. All good from there. Dude, I'm tired of waiting too, but here's the game. Don't get tired of waiting and then miss out, Yeah, put it on the reverse and just let them know. Do like a little QR code or something that hooks up to the channel. They can just tune in. Don't make it too hard for them. I don't know if they'll be able to type Claybro into their phone. They just got to hold the QR code up. Oh, that's what this was for. Now I can learn something. Well, there was a kid who, hacked Wall Street back in the day? I don't know who hacked Wall Street back in the day, but that would be, I don't know. You can't say that in front of people. That would be bad. Don't hack Wall Street. No, my eye doesn't itch. I know I have allergies, but don't hack Wall Street. All right, guys, look. Here's the deal. I do have to go to the bathroom, and I think it's probably time we should end it. I got 20% on my phone here. 158 likes, 173 people in here. If the likes get above the amount of people in here, I think that we can call it for the evening and hopefully get a video out a little bit later on something. Time to sell AMC. Time to sell AMC is when AMC is very, 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 very high. Yeah, we're on the way to the top dollar. Yes, this is the top dollar, the dollar coaster, and we are on our way up. The ride up could be slower than the ride down, guys. So if you're trying to sell the dip or whatever, get out on the way down, just know that could happen a lot quicker. 163 likes and 164 people. We didn't make it there yet. $125. Is that what your price target is? Kings Island open soon. What about Cedar Point? Buy on the dips and hold. Paul, absolutely, man. Buy on the dips and hold. Time to get out of AMC now. Hey, if you get out of AMC now, you're probably going to regret it later. Have a great weekend. Check out the Fast and Furious trailer. I need to check it out. 164 likes, 163 people. You did it. What is my exit plan? Amy will go over that really quick, and then we're going to sum it up and just leave for the weekend. I want to thank everybody for being here. My exit plan, okay? I don't have an actual price target in mind because I know the potential is unlimited, right? And I want to try and get as much money out of this trade as possible. So knowing that, I'm going to go into it with no direct number in sight. I'm going to keep a very close eye on volume, and I'm going to stay conservative. I'm going to think that if volume is extremely high, one of two things can happen. High volume can either be fear of missing out, people jumping in, other retail investors getting in, or extremely high volume can mean that the short positions were covered, okay? I'm going to stay conservative, and I'm going to think that, okay, the short positions were covered. Knowing that, if I see the price drastically fall, knowing that the short positions could have been covered, I'm going to say time to take my profit and move on. If it's moving higher, price shoots up to $300, and volume remains relatively low, no big spike, 30 million, 40 million shares being traded, I'm still comfortable. I'm still holding at that point and knowing that the squeeze hasn't yet occurred. So that's my game plan and my exit plan, is to be very vigilant on the trade, know what's happening, and don't sleep on it, right? Don't sleep on it, because if you sleep on it, you're going to miss out. And Eric, I don't know what you got going on there, man, but, keep it real. Guys, 166 people in here and 165 likes. I can't leave just yet, so make sure somebody click that like button. I got to go to the bathroom. Great live later, Hunt. Thank you so much, Ebony. Guys, I hope that everybody has a wonderful weekend. If I don't show up this weekend, we'll be back Monday around the close, having a great time. NBA, it's all gonna come down to how many shares are being traded and the potential for shorts being covered. But I hope that all of you guys have an amazing weekend. If we're signing off right now, don't forget to click that like button. Let YouTube know that we're having a good time here. We're learning something. We're having fun. And that, yes, the next time we're going to come on here again, we're going to do the same thing. And that people actually enjoy these videos. And hopefully we get another video coming out tonight. Subscribe button's still red, guys. Click it. Join the channel. Become a bro. We're here every single day. And to be continued, bro brottles, whatever you guys were calling them, water brodles. Hopefully we can get these things coming soon too. So all of you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see each and every one of you next time. Ciao, buddy.